Coughing up dirty-looking phlegm may mean that there is pus in it from an infection. When you get a cold or flu, you usually cough up phlegm. It is important to note the color. Mucus produced by the lungs, airways, nose, and sinuses is usually clear and often thicker than water. Mucus production can be primed by allergies, irritants like cigarette smoke, or illnesses like a cold and the flu. Dirty-looking phlegm, usually gray or green, contains pus cells, which may come from a lung infection like bronchitis or pneumonia. When the infection is confined to the air passages, you have bronchitis. When it invades the substance of the lung, you have pneumonia. These infections may be caused by a number of different germs, including certain bacteria that require antibiotics, or viruses that resolve without taking antibiotics. Also, smokers, diabetics, or people with other serious medical problems may require antibiotics. When the phlegm turns dirty, seek medical evaluation and treatment, especially if fever and fatigue are present or if you have other medical ailments. The doctor will determine what type of infection is present and, if the infection is caused by bacteria, the most effective antibiotic for treatment.